I'm out here. I got my UMX Radiant. Gonna go have some fun flying it on this nice, wonderful day. And yeah, I got my Trax Rustler all set up as well. And I'll have some fun with that a little later. So let's go get some gliding while the weather's still nice. So I'm out here again, and I'm with the glider. Now I want to talk about the Trax Rustler that I purchased a part that these shocks are meant for it, but it prevents the clipless body to go on 100%. I got to put a little force on it. So does that mean that the head of the shocks are hitting just a little bit, that it just, pushes it up a little? It goes on there, but I guess I need just a little bit more clearance. So what to do to correct it? I like the box of the UMX Radiant, and I like the modification that you may check out if Mr.Dot.com still flies his UMX, because he did one of these mods as well, and we had a nice talk. An excellent gentleman indeed. He's on his scooter doing a great job. So within 5 seconds, we're good. You hear that little rattle? It's fine. I don't have my external mic on, but you know what? I have to make a video for a gentleman because they're having a little issue. Beginner's trouble. They want to know how a mic works. Tilt my camera up a little bit of the neck strap. So here we are. I think my throttle's off. Turn it on. Go for a flight. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. Up, up, and up she goes. Whoop, baby. What I'm going to do is get everybody's out of the sun. There we go. Put that sun to the back the way we fly. Let's see if I lined up perfectly for a hand catch. Woohoo, baby, there's the hand catch. Oh yeah, I flew the Champ, the Sports Cubs, you got it. And I have the Radiant and Pop Wing, and I got a wing in the house, but I can never find the correct motor for it anymore. They're gone, and the one I got can only go 3/4 throttle, otherwise I just fail with it. And I have a Trax Rustler, I have a Armor Italian, and yeah, I got all these little toy cars, and they're not 1/14, 1/16, and they're not meant for this. They're meant for little kids. But the Trax Rustler, man, that's my ideal fun. And I got to get that bad boy out, start to do little jumps, maybe head to a skate park with it. And I don't like to bash and trash it. On that note, let me get on out of here.